Hey, good evening, YouTube. Another beautiful rainy day in Southern California. We're back at it today on the 99 3rd Gen 4runner. Just finished up the drum brake install, as you can see here. I got brand new drums. Today we're going to be installing these spidertrax 1.25" wheel spacers. I'm going to show you guys how to put them on, the proper torquing sequence, and everything that can help you to space out your 3rd gen. Step 1, slide your spacers on. Make sure you have a clean mating surface with no imperfections. So we'll give it a proper mount and there's no chance of it coming off. All right, there we go, slid on. Next, you're going to want to take your nuts that came with your kit and hand thread on each one with the beveled edge facing down. Next, you're going to want to get a 19mm socket, and what we're trying to do is tighten these down until they stop turning. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use my 3/8 cordless gun and just bring them down. I'm not gonna attempt to torque them. All right, YouTube. Today I'm gonna be using my Snap-on. Let's see, can you guys see this? 3/8 digital torque wrench. The manufacturer does recommend these bolts to be torqued between 75 and 85 torque pounds, 85 foot-pounds, and I'm going to be torquing mine at 85 where I had it before, where I had zero issues. So if you go ahead and if you guys are using one of these, you do have up and down arrows for torque adjustment, and when you do reach the recommended torque, it will go to green and it will vibrate to let you know when to stop. Also, I'm going to be torquing it in a crisscross star pattern for equal torque all around it, as I'll show you now. Okay, if you want to watch right here, guys, do you see the screen, Ezra? Right here, the numbers. And you push down, it's going to go from orange. The lights are going to get brighter. Go up the scale. You see that right there? 85.2 foot-pounds. Let's go to the next one, guys. .87 foot-pounds. Okay. .86 foot-pounds. .86.4. 5.4. And 86.6. Now, for good measure, I'm going to go over it one more time just to be safe, because these are your wheels. Just to check them all. Okay. And there you go, guys. That's how you install and torque spidertrax or any manufacturer's in general wheel spacers. Please follow the manufacturer's torque specs for your specific application. But as far for the 3rd gen 4runner, this is where I run and set mine at. Other than that, or any questions, please leave a comment. If you want to, if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe, I'd appreciate that. And have a great night.